Hi, I have noticed that you didn't get the same results as I did.
Yeah, I really don't know what I did wrong. Can I see your lab notes?
Yes, we can go through the whole procedure with you if you want to.
That would be great.
So, tell me, how did you start your experiment?
I took a small watch glass and weighted exactly 30 grams of marble chips containing primarily calcium carbonate.
Good, so far I did the same.
I transferred the marble chips from the watch glass dish to the beaker and used a pipette to put 75 milligrams of sodium hydroxide in the beaker.
Now we know where you made your mistake. Why did you use alkali?
Well, our task was to examine what happens when marble is in touch with different chemicals.
No, our task was to examine what happens when the acid rain falls on materials made of marble.
Alright, I forgot that acid rain is formed because of high concentrations of acid producing oxides in the atmosphere.
That's right, 75% of the acidity of the rain is accounted for the presence of sulfuric acid, because the combustion of fossil fuel makes the sulfur contained in them react with the oxygen from the air.
And I guess when sulfur dioxide reacts with water, it forms sulfuric acid.
I agree with you. That is a big problem because sulfuric acid is a really strong acid. The presence of sulfuric acid causes high concentrations of H plus ions in raindrop that can be harmful to marble.
I assume that since marble is mostly made of calcium carbonate, they gradually erode due to the rain.
Correct. So should we repeat the experiment one more time together?
Sure, but can you see what will happen if you put in other acids?
For example?
I'm interested in what will happen if you added nitric acid.
Sure, we can experiment with a few other acids. Nitric acid is actually a really good example because around 1/4 of the acidity of the rain is accounted by nitric acid.
Nice. Just let me clean my lab apparatus and we can start over.
While you are doing it, I will weigh the necessary chemicals.
Thank you for your help.
No problem, anytime.